Hey guys, so we're going to use this equation to find an equation of the tangent line to the curve y is equal to 4x minus 3x squared at the point 2, negative 4. So if we want to find the equation of the tangent line to the curve y is equal to 4x minus 3x squared, the first thing we want to do is we want to find the slope of the tangent line. So this is going to be the first step for this problem. So we have two equations that we can use to find the slope. The slope is equal to the limit as x is approaching a of f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a. So this is one equation that we can use. Now the other equation we can use is that m is equal to the limit as h is approaching 0 of f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. Either one of these formulas should work for any of the problems that you guys are doing. It kind of depends which one you're more comfortable solving with. For this problem, let's use this formula, because also for some you might be asked to use specific formulas. So when you're trying to find the slope of the tangent line, you can use either one of these formulas. But just know, if you are asked to find the derivative, you are going to use this formula. So make sure if you're asked to find the derivative, this is the formula you're using. When we don't have an a value, so if we're not given a point, this formula also would probably be the formula you would want to use, because you don't need to use an a, you can just use h as h is approaching 0, because this is finding this is called the derivative definition, this equation here. And then this one is the slope of the secant line. But if you take the limit as x is approaching a of the slope of the secant line using this equation, then you end up with the slope of the tangent line. And then also the other equation that we're going to need to use is when we get into finding the actual equation, we're going to want to use y minus y1 is equal to equal to m times x minus x1. So let's use this formula. Because this is a good formula to use. So looking at this problem, we know that f of x is equal to 4x minus 3x squared. And so if we look at our point, we have the point 2, negative 4. If we take f of a, we would have f of a minus 3a squared. And our a value is equal to 2, so we can take f of 2 is equal to 4 times 2 minus 3 times 2 squared, which would be equal to 8 minus 3 times 4, which is equal to 8 minus 12, which is equal to negative 4. So we know that f of a then is equal to negative 4, and then a is equal to 2. So now using this formula for our equation, we have the limit of f of x minus f of a as over x minus a as x is approaching a. So our f of x is 4x minus 3x squared. Remember, we want to get that limit out in front. I forgot to write that out in front. We have the limit as x is approaching our a value, which is 2, of 4x minus 3x squared minus our f of a, and we found that f of a is negative 4, divided by x minus, and then our a value is 2. And so now, trying to solve this and do a little bit of work, we have the limit as x is approaching 2 of 4x minus 3x squared plus 4 over x minus 2.